Hey everyone, this is Judy and today I'm going to make a bracelet. This is my fan, you'll hear this running. I'm going to be using my wood burning tool and I have to use this to take away the smoke fumes. So for this project you'll need some leather bracelets. I got these from Michael's. And you need a Bracelet tool. This can do wood, leather. It's a pretty good tool. You need a Bracelet tool. That's this here. And I'm going to use like a detail tip. And what I did is I taped my thing that I set it down on here. I taped it so it wouldn't fall off on the floor. Okay, and I took these letters here. These are stencils, and I stenciled the name in the bracelet. I just laid them down on top of here and just took a fine tip marker and just wrote the letters in there, whatever you want to put. Okay, and I had this heating up. I had the heating tool heating up for about 10 minutes, and it's got like a control dial on it. And it's got different kind of heating for different kind, like leather, wood, let me see, cork. It's got different fabric on there, if you can see it. You just set this knob for whatever you're gonna burn. This is a wood burning tool, and I got that at Michael's. Let it heat up, and then you take and hold it like a pencil. And then you just go slow with it. And just burn your name in there. Leather burns so easy. I think I'll turn it up because it's not working so good. I'll turn it up a little bit. What it does, it just burns. It burns the leather and it makes it look like it's dark. I might have to use the other tip for this. And then you can feel it burning through there. But you want to use one of them fume things to take the smell away, because you don't know what kind of chemicals they got in this leather or wood. So you need one of them fans to take the smell away. And all you do is just burn over top of it until it looks like it's, I don't know if you can see it. Just keep doing it until you get it the way you like it. I like mine a little dark. And I like using this fine tip. I don't know if you can see it on there. Where I took and did it already. And just keep going until you get it the way you want it. And it does stink. I don't know. You can see the letters are darker. Then I got one more letter to go. And leather burns quicker than wood, so you have to be careful with that. And you can fill the indent in the leather. I think I'll do the G over. And wherever you put this tip is where that brown mark's going to be. See, I did that already. Okay, and I might put a design in it, so you got to be careful with this. You have to take some kind of plier or something and plier it off. You don't want to touch that tip because you'll get burnt. And I just taken just take it off and put it in on a little tray or something, or you can put it on a little thing you're working on over here. Just don't let that touch your table because it'll burn a hole in it. But don't you touch it with your hand. And then you can get another design, or you can trace a heart or something on it, or I'm going to use one of these things that I got. I got some alphabets with it too. You can buy alphabets with it, but you have to buy these separate. Because I got a whole bunch of different letters of the alphabets. Okay, and then you're going to figure out what tip, and then you got some of these designs with it when you get the alphabet tip. But you have to buy them separate. They don't come with your wood burner. Then you just let this heat up for a few seconds. And it'll heat up real quick. Don't be touching it once it gets hot. Okay, and I'll show you. I was practicing on this piece of wood, and that's these letters that you get. You get these at Michael's. I think they're like $30, and you get letters of the alphabet that you put in the ends of these, and the end of this tool here. But you have to pay for these separate. You can get capital letters, and you can get lowercase letters. But you have to buy them separate. Okay, so let me see if it's hot. I'm going to try this piece of wood here. And that's going to put a design like that in it. This design here that I got with the alphabet. Or did I get that with the wood burner? I can't remember. Oh yeah, you do get that with the wood burner. You see the ones down at the bottom? This is all the tips that you get. And you get some designs. This does come with the wood burner. So I'm going to take and put some designs over on the side. Just put it wherever you want it. Oh, this. Say, you put as many as you like. Make sure you put it in the right spot. And it looked like that. It just burns it into the leather. I think I might put one more on each side. And that's all to it. Burning through your leather. And this is a bracelet. It can fit a size 7 or 8 inch wrist. And like I said, I use this wood burning tool here. This is a box that it came in. This is a wood burning one that I use. And you can do it on leather, you can do it on wood. I don't know what that is. You can do hand carving with it for your pumpkin. It says you can use it on paper, but I don't use it on paper. And you get all these tools right there with it. And this one comes with a setting for like whatever you're going to do, paper, wood, whatever. And yeah. And that's the bracelet that I made. It's a leather one. And you can make some really cool gifts for your friends. And I like it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Please subscribe and like and comment.